Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn a new topic, that is MapStruct. So basically I'm going to tell you what MapStruct is, why do we need MapStruct, and how can we implement MapStruct in our project, and some common questions on the MapStruct, some scenario based question on the MapStruct. So this is going to be the introduction video of the MapStruct because I don't want to make a long 1 hour video. So rather I will make a 10 to 15-minute long video so that it will be easy to process. So yeah, let's start this. So this is some few topics which we are going to learn in this playlist. So basically I'm going to tell you what is MapStruct, basically what MapStruct is, and why do we need the MapStruct, how can we use MapStruct in our project, and some various scenarios of using MapStruct, where we can use the MapStruct, in which scenario we can use the MapStruct. So here are some few scenarios. Basically, mostly MapStruct is very vast library, and we can use lots of things in the MapStruct, but mostly developer will use this only most of the times. So yeah, basic mapping between two different classes, handling fields with the different names using at the rate mapping annotations, custom mapping methods, mapping collections, nested object mapping, mapping with custom methods using named, default method for common logic, handling null values gracefully, and some common question based on the MapStruct which as a developer you should know. Okay, so yeah, this is what we are going to learn. So to give the overview, I'm going to tell you some little bit information in this video only, so you can learn something from this video. So yeah, what is first of the all, what is MapStruct? So what is MapStruct? MapStruct is a library. So what kind of library it is? It is a code generation library. It generates the code, but what type of code it generates? So it generates a code. Okay, let me give you some example. Suppose you have one object, and you have one DTU. Basically you have one entity, so you can say this is your entity, this is your entity. Entity is basically a Pojo class, simple Java class. Okay, and you have created a DTU class for this. You have one DTU based out of this entity. Okay, so what, suppose you want to convert this DTO into this entity, or vice versa, converting this entity to the DTO. You will write some manual code, okay, to converting this entity to DTO. So this MapStruct will make your life easy. By using the MapStruct library, you don't need to write the code. What MapStruct does is it will create the conversion from entity to DTO, or DTO to entity. So yeah, this will make your life easy. So this is what the MapStruct library generates. It generates the conversion from entity to DTO, or DTO to entity, or entity to entity. So yes. Okay, and why do we need MapStruct? So basically, I told you why do we need the MapStruct. MapStruct we need MapStruct for the conversion from one object to a different object, or different DTU to entity. Okay, right? And how can we use the MapStruct in our project? Basically, we are going to see a live video how we are going to use the MapStruct library in our project. Basically, we need to import some dependency, we need to add some plugins to you in our project, and some scenario based question, right, and some common question based out of the MapStruct. So yes, this is what we are going to learn. So thank you guys, we are going to end this short introduction video here only, and from the next video we are going to cover all these questions one by one. Thank you guys, goodbye.